Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a workout specifically designed to tone up your upper body. So let's get started with some push-ups. First up, we have a push-up variation that targets your triceps, regular wide arm push-ups. Keep your elbows slightly out and make sure they stay close to your body. Don't forget to engage those triceps for an added burn. Next up is a move to help you achieve those sleek arms, the diamond push-up. Bring your arms together in a diamond shape and lower down into the push-up position. Keep the elbows close to your body for maximum effectiveness. And finally, let's work on those broad shoulders with a shoulder press variation of regular push-ups, the single arm push-up. Bring your arm out nice and wide and lower down into the push-up position. Make sure your elbow stays close to your body for an extra challenge. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness, so try incorporating this workout into your routine at least twice a week. And if you ever need a break from the monotony of home workouts, feel free to head over to my Instagram for some fun ideas. Thanks for joining me today in this upper body toning push-up workout at home. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing workouts. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing.